Well, say goodbye to the pain in your knees and joints once and for all. There's a new type of treatment that'll get you up and going again. And here's what I found when I stopped by Cedar Hills Family Practice. Well, if you've been suffering from tingling, numbness, or burning of the feet, or maybe even painful arthritis, well, we've come to the right place, and that is Cedar Hills Family Practice. And joining me is Dr. James Williams. And how are you, doctor?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm great, too. You know, last time we were here, doctor, we talked about peripheral neuropathy. Remind us once again, what is it?
Peripheral neuropathy is disease specifically of the nerves of the periphery of the body. That includes the hands and the feet.
And what does that feel like?
Well, a lot of the different symptoms that patients can have, including painful burning of the feet, numbness or tingling that keeps you up at night. But patients can also have decreased ability to move the feet or loss of balance.
It really decreases also the quality of life, is that right?
Definitely. Patients are not able to get around as they used to. They're not able to do their normal activities as they used to. It really significantly impacts the patient's lives.
A couple of your patients, they have been raving about how well you've treated them.
I've suffered all my life with neuropathic diabetes, but this treatment that I discovered from them, you know, has really helped me out a lot and just got me through stronger. And I'm able to walk with a walker for about 80 feet now. Before I couldn't.
Before I was in so much pain, I couldn't wear my heels, and I couldn't stand straight, walk straight. And so he said, I can help you.
What about knee pain? A lot of us suffer from knee pain.
Well, arthritis is a very big cause of mortality in the United States, especially of the knees, shoulders, and ankles. We have several different treatments here for arthritis with knee and joint injections and ankle joint injections. Same thing for shoulders and elbows. And we also have a viscous injection which helps rebuild those joint spaces and get rid of the pain.
When you take a look at your patients, I know you're very thorough.
Well, we're going to first sit down and talk to the patient, evaluate them thoroughly in many different aspects to make sure that we're understanding the full cause of all their problems. And then we go through the physical examination and make sure that we know exactly what's causing their pain and suffering that they're having. And from there we proceed with the selection of the treatment that's best fitted for those patients.
I also saw that a patient had to go through an ultrasound as well. Is that right?
In some of the patients, they need ultrasounds to determine if their blood vessels are the cause of their pain or if there's another cause.
Okay, and also treatment where they feel the electric loads, right?
Well, part of the treatment is they get several injections to the nerves, and then they get a electrostimulation of the nerves that go to the periphery, and that actually wakes those nerves up and brings them back to life and gets rid of a lot of the pain and the numbness that the patients are having.
I was found that I had PTSD while I was wounded in action. I have aches and pains in my legs and my knees, and I've been having a lot of help here.
We accept the neuropathy, we accept everything that comes with being a diabetic, but here's a little chance to improve, to feel better, then I am glad I took it.
Does insurance cover some of the treatments?
The majority of insurances cover all the treatments. We obviously have to sit down and talk to the patient and find out what the difference is between each policy, make sure they're fully covered, but majority of insurances do cover these treatments.
Well, thank you so much, doctor. Of course, if you're also suffering from tingling, numbness, burning of the feet, maybe even some arthritic pain in the knees, definitely give you guys a call. Cedar Hills Family Practice, and you guys are located on Southeast Military Drive.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you so much, doctor.